Okay, good evening. Today I'm going to discuss about the survey. It's our first unit, and in this unit I'm going to start with the leveling. In the leveling of the various terms which are used in the leveling, we have about 10 terms which are relating to the leveling. We are going to start with the leveling, whereby leveling is the operation whereby you compare two heights, one height and another height, whereby you compute to come up with a solution which is a relatively therefore its main purpose of the following in our earths, it is provide the spot heights, the contour lines on a map to provide a data for making longitudinal and closed sections. Okay, the second term we are call it backsides. Backsides, it is the first reading taken by the observer at every instrument station after setting up the instruments. The second is foresight. Foresight is the last reading taken at every instrument before moving the level. Okay, the third, we have the intermediate sites where it is the reading taken at the instrument station between the backside and the foresight. Still, we have the turning point or control point. This point, it lies between foresight and backside, which are taken before moving the stubber. Okay, so we continue with leveling. There's two methods of leveling or two methods of leveling which used to compute to get the level of the surface required. One, we may use rise and fall method. Two, we may use height and culmination method. Okay, here we have the various instruments or equipments used during leveling. In our case, we have the Ndambi level and tripod stand and staff itself, calibrated staff. As you can see there, we have the surveyor and the staff man. The surveyor, what he does, he sets the machine, whereas the staff man uses his staff directed to the observer to lead the readings on the staff. Okay. We have the instrument used for leveling. We have so various, but few we have listed a few the most commonly. We have the tape measure of any length of or any material. You may use fiber, you may use steel. Choice will depend on you. Leveling instrument of the dumbbell level, theodolite, automatic, any instrument you may use accordingly your pocket. Then you have the leveling staff. In the leveling staff, you should have the calibrated staff so as to be able for the observer to read the readings on the staff. And then we have the rating rod, which assists in making the alignment of the surveying during the leveling or during the alignment of the structures or the load. We have the mallet. Mallet is for driving the pegs down to mark where it is required or to mark where the readings is supposed to be. We have the pegs. Pegs may be either for the wood or metallic one. Then we have the mark pen. Mark pen are used to mark the required heights or the required levels which have been obtained. That was all about. Next, we are going to discuss more as we write the notes.